how to fix Facebook connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see click on apps. So after click on apps, scroll down and search Facebook app from here. Scroll down and you will see Facebook app is here, so click on Facebook app. Now here scroll down and click on stories. So if you want to fix Facebook app connection problem, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, now here so click on clear data. So after clear cache and clear data, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so after the process, go back to home screen and open control center. So just swipe down. Now here, so turn on flight mode. So after turn on flight mode, turn off flight mode. So after turn off flight mode, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Facebook connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.